In Minnesota, a divorce case is two people who have a valid marriage are seeking to dissolve that marriage.
Divorce in Minnesota is often twofold, especially if the case involves minor children. So there's the social issues of custody and parenting time that need to be decided, and also the financial piece, which is usually an equitable division of marital property and debts.
Pretty much everything that's accumulated during the marriage needs to be separated.
There's so much going on in the divorce process that it's very important that you have an attorney.
The divorce process is extremely complicated. There's a lot of nuances that individuals oftentimes don't understand. I'm able to help my clients with the process from the very beginning.
It's extremely important to have a lawyer when you're going through a divorce. You need to have a lawyer to protect yourself and understand what your rights are. You need to have an attorney who can tell you exactly what you're entitled to under Minnesota law.
Oftentimes, whether or not a divorce case goes to court depends on how quickly we're able to settle particular issues. I strive to settle as many issues as possible on the front end so that my clients don't necessarily need to go to court. However, if we do have to go to court, I'm able to zealously advocate on their behalf.
I don't advise anyone to represent themselves in a divorce case. I would ask them to come here, meet with a professional who knows what they're doing. We can help them with their case and get them the results they're looking for.
Someone should come to the firm of Heimerl and Lammers if they're looking for a divorce attorney, simply because we have 3 attorneys here who practice in family law, and this is the only area of law that we practice in. We deal with these types of issues day in and day out, hundreds of cases. You're going to bring your divorce issues to court. You absolutely need to make sure that you have an effective advocate by your side. And we know how to present issues to the court. We've done that hundreds of times. We've presented trials. We've dealt with domestic abuse. We've dealt with division of property. We've dealt with the child support issues.
Divorce is a complicated process. It's a complicated area of law. It can also be a very hard area of law and a worrisome area for people who are going through that. And the attorneys here at Heimerl and Lammers are here to help.